Welcome! In this complete step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to use Epic EHR/EMR efficiently in a clinical setting. We'll walk through logging in securely, navigating the dashboard, reviewing patient charts, documenting encounters, entering orders, prescribing medications, managing appointments, and accessing lab results. I'll also cover charting best practices, using templates and smart tools, handling billing codes, and maintaining HIPAA compliance. Whether you're a physician, nurse, medical assistant, or healthcare administrator, this tutorial will help you streamline clinical documentation, improve workflow efficiency, and deliver better patient care using Epic. Let's get started. Are more important than ever. That's where Epic comes in. A powerful and widely adopted electronic health record and electronic medical record platform trusted by hospitals, clinics, and private practices across the globe. Epic provides a unified solution for managing patient records, streamlining workflows, and improving both clinical outcomes and administrative operations. From scheduling appointments and documenting encounters to prescribing medications and analyzing health data, Epic is built to support every part of the patient care journey. In this video, we'll break down the key features and benefits of Epic and explore why it's a go-to platform for healthcare professionals. So for its key features and benefits, first is the comprehensive patient records. Epic offers a centralized system where all patient information, including medical history, lab results, imaging, medications, allergies, and more, is accessible in one place. This enhances clinical decision-making and minimizes the risk of error by providing a 360-degree view of each patient's health record. Another key feature is the intelligent charting tools. With templates, voice dictation, and smart text features, Epic streamlines the charting process and helps providers quickly document patient visits with accuracy. This reduces documentation time, improves consistency in records, and allows physicians to spend more time with patients. Another key feature is the e-prescribing and medication management. Epic integrates with pharmacies to allow for seamless e-prescribing, including medication checks and alerts for potential drug interactions. This enhances patient safety and ensures faster, more accurate medication delivery. Another key feature is the appointment scheduling and patient access. The scheduling module enables easy appointment booking, cancellations, and reminders. Patients can also manage their own appointments and view visit summaries via the MyChart portal. This reduces no-shows, improves patient engagement, and enhances access to care. Another key feature is the clinical decision support. Epic offers real-time decision support tools based on current guidelines and patient data, such as alerts for abnormal lab values or overdue screenings. This promotes evidence-based care and reduces variability in treatment. Another key feature is the telehealth integration. Providers can conduct secure virtual visits directly through the Epic platform, with documentation and billing built in. This expands access to care while maintaining HIPAA compliance and data integrity. Another feature is the analytics and reporting dashboards. Epic's robust reporting features give administrators and clinicians insights into performance, outcomes, patient flow, and billing. This helps improve operations, monitor quality measures, and support value-based care initiatives. So why is Epic a great choice? Epic has become one of the most trusted EHR systems in the healthcare industry due to its depth, reliability, and flexibility. It's designed to support everything from small practices to multi-facility health systems, making it highly scalable. What sets Epic apart is its integration across departments, ensuring that clinicians, nurses, lab techs, and billing staff are all working from the same real-time data. The platform's focus on usability and interoperability means that it can connect with other systems and share patient data securely across networks, which is essential for coordinated care and compliance with regulations like the 21st Century Cures Act. Providers appreciate Epic's ability to adapt to their specialty-specific workflows, whether they're in primary care, oncology, cardiology, or pediatrics. Additionally, with tools like MyChart, empowering patients to access their own records, communicate with providers, and manage appointments, Epic supports a more patient-centered model of care. In an era where outcomes, experience, and efficiency all matter, Epic delivers on all three fronts. So basically, Epic EHR/EMR is more than just a digital filing cabinet. It's a fully integrated platform that transforms how healthcare is delivered and managed. With robust charting tools, real-time collaboration feature, and powerful decision support, Epic helps clinicians deliver better, safer care with less administrative burden. So for healthcare professionals looking to improve their workflow, enhance communication, and provide high-quality care in a digital-first environment, Epic is a strategic and forward-thinking choice. As you adopt or continue using Epic, you'll discover new efficiencies, better outcomes, and a more... Thank you very much for watching this complete guide on using Epic EHR/EMR. I hope this tutorial helped you understand how to navigate patient records, document visits accurately, manage orders, and optimize your daily clinical workflow. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really supports the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials on healthcare software, medical documentation systems, and clinical workflow tools. If you'd like a deeper walkthrough of specific modules like order sets, chart review, billing workflows, or specialty-specific tools, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.